In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to pay an invoice with Freshbooks. We'll be discussing the procedure in a clear, easy-to-follow manner, ensuring that you will experience no difficulties along the way. First, you will need to access the Freshbooks platform. So go ahead and type Freshbooks into your preferred web browser. This should direct you to the Freshbooks website, where you will need to log into your account. Upon successful login, you're going to be directed to your dashboard. Your dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your account, invoices, expenses, and more. In the left corner of your dashboard, you will spot a menu, and one of the options listed there is the Invoices section. Once you locate it, just provide a gentle click to the Invoices section to open it up. Next, you will be confronted by a list of all the invoices generated on your account. It's time to find the invoice you want to pay. Every invoice is usually detailed, and it contains information like the invoice number, the name of the client, the amount due, and the due date. So, navigate through the list and identify the specific invoice you want to pay. As soon as you find the invoice in question, you need to hover your mouse cursor over it. Doing so will prompt a new set of options to appear. Among these options, your focus should be on the one that says Add a Payment. Now rest assured, this is the correct button to take you to the payment process. So go on and click it. With your click, you are directed to the payment screen, where you are required to input your payment details. This usually means entering your credit card information like your card number, cardholder's name, expiration date, and CVV. Remember to check that your details are accurate to avoid any hitches in the payment process. Lastly, after you've confirmed that everything is accurate, it's time to complete your payment. To do this, you just have to click on the Save button. This will process your payment and finalize the entire transaction. After clicking Save, your invoice should now reflect as paid on your Freshbooks dashboard, and you've successfully done it. In this tutorial, we've seen just how straightforward it is to pay an invoice on Freshbooks, making it an undeniably user-friendly platform suitable for small or large businesses.